Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that can completely change your outlook on life. Ikigai. This Japanese concept translates to a reason for being, and it's all about finding what makes you truly happy. Let's explore how you can uncover your own Ikigai. The Ikigai combines four essential elements: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. Imagine finding the sweet spot where all these overlap. That's where your happiness lies. Now, let's break it down. First step, ask yourself, what do I love? This could be anything. For me, it's painting. Create a list of activities that make your heart sing. What makes you lose track of time? Dive into those passions. Next, think about what you're good at. Maybe you're good at coding like this guy, or you're great at public speaking. Everyone has talents, both big and small. Write down what you excel at, and don't be shy to ask friends what they think you're good at too. Now, consider what the world needs and how you can be compensated for it. Are there gaps in your community? Can you turn your passion into a side hustle? Start brainstorming. Your Ikigai can lead to fulfillment and joy. Comment below with your thoughts on Ikigai or what brings you happiness. Let's figure this out together. Remember, happiness is found when what you do, what you love, and what the world needs align. Let's get started on this incredible journey to discovering your Ikigai. Don't forget to follow for more tips. Bye for now.